Hi, I'm Marce. Welcome to Slow Paced Listening Practice. Today we'll practice one of my favorite structures love, like, plus verb with ing at the end. We use this to talk about the things that we like to do or not. Today, I feel like I need your advice. I feel like a terrible friend because sometimes I can provide a possible solution to my friends. I'll tell you about my friend's situation so you can help me with your opinion and give her the best solution to her problem. First, you need to know about my friend's personality. She's a bit shy, but once she feels comfortable, she can be very talkative. Can you relate? Well, she told me about a fight she had with her family. While everyone was arguing over what to do for their family vacations, she felt very frustrated. She's not an adventurous person, but her siblings are very spontaneous and love adventure. However, she prefers relaxing activities. So they were fighting over the destination. Her brother wants to go to the mountains because he enjoys hiking and climbing. Her sister wants to visit a big city because she loves shopping and sightseeing. But my friend doesn't agree with them. She prefers going to the beach because she really enjoys reading while listening to the ocean. They all expressed their opinions, but in the end, they were all angry about it. They couldn't agree on where to go for the next holiday. She told me money isn't a problem, but getting everyone on the same page is. Do you have any suggestions for them? You can write as much as you want because they'll be reading your opinions. Remember to subscribe to keep practicing your listening skills. See you.